In this video, we'll discuss the Scikit-Learn functions using UnifyML and SQL. Here, we run our Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression using UnifyML SQL. Now let's see how to execute a simple decision tree regression using UnifyML. Input table. Mention your required input table name. Specify your required input column names. Define the target column that needs to be predicted. Save model and output model. Saving the model allows you to reuse this decision tree regression model for future predictions on similar data. There are many more parameters available for Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression. You can refer to the UnifyML documentation for further details. Additional parameters. Partition column. Mention the column on which you want to perform partitioning. Input data types. If you need to change column data types, specify them in this parameter. Training sample split. Split the dataset into training and test sets. Define the training data percentage, and the rest will be used for testing. Parallelism and partitioning. Set parallel execution and define the number of partitions. Data cleaning. UnifyML supports 4 data cleaning methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill missing values. Data scaling. UnifyML offers 4 data scaling methods: min-max scaler, specify min and max values, standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. Input cache ID. If your data is already stored in cache, you don't need to mention the input table. Instead, specify the input cache ID. Bytes per chunk. Define this parameter based on your model execution requirements. Running the query. This query will execute in the back end of the UnifyML server. Output of Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression. The output includes MSE, means squared error, MAE, mean absolute error, RMSE root means squared error, our superscript 2 value, accuracy of the model, and the saved output model name. Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression Predict using UnifyML query. Predict input table. Mention the table containing the data to be predicted. Specify the input model name. Use the decision tree regression model saved earlier. There are many additional parameters for prediction. You can refer to the UnifyML documentation for details. Additional parameters for prediction. Partition column. Define the partitioning column. Input data types. Change column data types if needed. Data cleaning. Use one of the 4 methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill missing values. Data scaling. Choose from min-max scaler. Define min and max values, standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. Input cache ID. If the prediction data is already stored in cache, mention the input cache ID instead of the input table. Saving the prediction output. Save to DB. Store the prediction output in a database by specifying the save _ DB option along with the output table name. Overwrite output table. If the output table already exists, set overwrite _output table to true to replace it. Save to CSV. Store the prediction results as a CSV file by specifying the save _CSV option and output CSV file name. Running the prediction query. This query will execute in the back end of the UnifyML server. Output of Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression Prediction. The output includes input columns and predicted column values. By following this method, you can apply Scikit-Learn Decision Tree Regression to any regression dataset using UnifyML. Thank you for watching this video.